If you've been following PlayStation history closely, you probably expected the release of the PS5 Slim at some point, and lo and behold, the PS5 Slim is finally here. While the PS5 Slim maintains the legacy of being lighter and thinner than the bulky original, there are several other factors at work as well, so stay tuned. Anyways, let's just get straight into it. Firstly, let's talk about a game changer. Say hello to the PS5 Slim and its cool disc or no disc flexibility. Here's the scoop. The PS5 Slim lets you decide if you want that Ultra HD Blu-ray disc drive for physical games and media. Want it? Well, you can snag a version with the drive attached. Or are you feeling digital vibes instead? Well, there's a digital edition for you instead. But hey, here's where it gets even better. The choice isn't etched in stone. Digital edition fans can grab the drive later if they change their minds. The only hitch is a separate purchase costing you $80. Storage. Let's talk about SSD storage, the heart of your PlayStation world. Sony kinda puzzled us with an 825 gig SSD in the original PS5. But fear not, because here comes the PS5 Slim to the rescue. Now both the disc and digital models are rocking a cool 1TB SSD right out of the box. More space for your epic game collection. This boost in storage is like hitting the jackpot, especially when you're eyeing those big game downloads. Ready to dive into the gaming galaxy with more room to spare? Size and weight. It's shedding some weight to say the least, definitely off the Taco Bell. Sony's been slightly trimming down the PS5 models, making them easier to handle. The PS5 Slim with a disk drive now weighs in at approximately 7 pounds, which is a whopping 18% lighter than its predecessor. But hold on, the PS4 Slim Digital Edition takes the cake, dropping 24% down to 5.7 pounds. Not just weight, these sleek new models are shrinking in size too, with a 30-parent volume reduction. Imagine a gaming powerhouse that doesn't dominate your entertainment setup. Now that's a win. However, if you opt for the disk drive add-on, it'll beef up the weight a bit. Price. Time to talk PS5 Slim prices, so here's the lowdown. The PS5 Slim, equipped with the Ultra HD Blu-ray disc drive, will set you back $500. A bit on the pricier side, but hey, discs are your jam, right? Now for the digital enthusiasts, we got the digital edition, sans the disc drive, at a more budget-friendly $450. That's a solid auction if you're all about that digital gaming life. Choices galore, my friends. Specs. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of the PS5 Slim. Here's the scoop. Sony's keeping a solid winning formula with this sleeker console. Apart from the size, weight, storage options, and that cool detachable drive feature we've raved about, most of the specs remain unchanged. The same powerhouse CPU, GPU, and RAM are making a comeback. A gamer's delight right from the start. Connectivity-wise, we've got familiar ports and options. Although Sony didn't shout out the MVB slot for expanding storage this time, we're pretty sure it's not a goner. Phew. SSD speed remains a champion at 5.5 gigs per second read speeds, and the disk drive still handles up to 100 gigs per disk. Consistency is key. While some may have hoped for a few spec boosts, the PS5 Slim stays true to what works. And that's a wrap for today's video comparing the PS5 Slim and the PS5. Now it's over to you, gamers. Will you make the leap to the sleeker, more nimble PS5 Slim or stick with the original PS5? Your thoughts are gold to us, so drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one for more exciting gaming adventures.